Sir, there is no question at all. And when the Honorable IT Minister has made a detailed statement, he has categorically said that there is no substance to this kind of sensationalism. And whatever the Congress party is suggesting, it's just preposterous without any proof. Rajdeep ji, you tell me what is the guarantee that if there is a Supreme Court monitored inquiry, the Congress party would not raise question mark on the integrity and the veracity of Supreme Court like they have done in the Rafale matter. It is in front of eyes of the people of India. And who is the Congress party to give certificate to media authorities that this is a top notch? This is not a top notch. This is the government media. So this is simply preposterous and has no basis. The people of India still remember the theatrics and the respect Mr. Rahul Gandhi has for the parliamentary convention when he tore the ordinance of his own party Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh, in front of the people of India. What do they want to suggest? They have no respect for parliament. They have no respect for parliamentary convention.
Rajdeep,
they have no respect for parliamentary institution.
Right.
So I think this debate is misleading when the country should be having a constructive discussion on issues like corona.
No, why? No, Guru Prasad ji, why is national security not an important? If your government has actually been spying on opposition leaders, how can you say it's not an important issue? It's scandalous. It will be seen as a disfiguring of our democracy. How can you say that it's not an important issue?
Rajiv ji, where is the evidence? You give me an iota of evidence and we would ensure that there is
seven phones that have been in the list. Seven phones in the list have gone through forensic analysis.
Rajdeep,
and Pegasus spyware. Just a minute, ma'am.
No, what has the sir?
And spyware.
Sir, what has the NSO? What has the NSO said? There is no evidence. On what ground are you asking for a discussion?
How can NSO? Who is NSO to give a? Who is NSO to give a clean chit to anyone? Ma'am, just a minute, Supriya ji. How can the NSO? NSO is the company which has been exporting this spyware. If Algeria, if France, if Israel itself can order an inquiry, what is stopping the government of India? We are a democracy. Even autocracies are announcing inquiries, and we are not willing to do so. Algeria.
Sir, we don't need lessons on democracy from anyone, sir. This government, the people of India, have reposed faith in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi repeatedly in 2014 and 2019, and I can give you so many state elections.
But a democratic government would not have boycotted. A democratic government would not have done what they did at the IT Standing Committee today. You stopped officials from even coming before the committee. You did not allow a quorum. What kind of democracy is this? You are passing bills without even having a discussion.
Sir, Rajdeep ji, when the Honorable Prime Minister of the country says on day zero of the monsoon session that we are open to having discussion, and he also he gives a lot of importance to the suggestion from opposition on the day zero of the monsoon session, and the behavior and the pandemonium orchestrated by the opposition party, why are they not answerable for it? I agree with you that anything and everything under the sun can be discussed on the floor of the parliament, but this is no behavior.
Okay.
When Mr. Rahul Gandhi shows this kind of utter disrespect for parliamentary convention, he must come ahead and answer for it.
Okay, final word to you, Supriya Shrinet. Where does this lead? At the end of the day, the people of this country will need answers. You will argue on hacking and you are insisting that that is the issue in parliament. You have every right. But outside parliament, people are worried about fuel prices. They are worried about the COVID situation. They are worried about about job losses. Have you all decided that this parliament session, all these issues are being put on the back burner?
No, absolutely not. And I'm quite amazed that the BJP suddenly wants to discuss corona. Why have only 9.8 crore people in this country been vaccinated in a country of 140, Mr. Guru Prakash? Why has India's growth target been revised lower by 3 percentage points to 9.5% from 12.5%? Why is there 10% बेरोजगारी in this country, Mr. Guru Prasad? आप बताएंगे मुझे कि क्यों इस देश में 110 रुपए में पेट्रोल बिक रहा है? इस बातों का जवाब देंगे आप? The reality is... Because Rajdeep, there is... Because Rajdeep, let me finish.
Now, just a minute.
I did not speak in between. I did not speak in between.
Yeah, very quickly, Ms. Shrinet. Ms. Shrinet, 30
Your turn will
seconds.
come to answer. Just give me a second.
Yes.
Rajdeep, I have just one thing to say. This spying scandal is an erosion of electoral democracy in this country. It's an attack on independent institutions. It's an attempt to infiltrate independent institutions and weaken our democracy. We are not going to turn a blind eye and we will not look the other way. अगर सांच को आंच नहीं है तो मोदी जी को डर क्यों है जांच का? क्यों डरते हैं डिबेट से? क्यों भागते हैं पार्लियामेंट से? अगर सच का साथ देना चाहते हैं आए डिबेट करें. अगर डिबेट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो जरूर दाढ़ी में तिनका है, कुछ छुपा रहे हैं और ये सारा देश जानता है उन्होंने जासूसी करके क्या छुपाना चाहा है.
Let's leave it there.